come to Oxford, Ohio, in Butler County. Andrew and I have found the black covered bridge. Let's go check it out. You might have heard of Oxford, Ohio before. It is the home of Miami of Ohio University. This is the bridge here. Let's look over and to the side. Wow. Let's check it out. It's a very large bridge, Andrew for scale. This bridge is one of Ohio's longest covered bridges. Still in pretty good repair. The bridge was originally built to give access to a saw and grist mill. Let's continue on. Now, interesting enough, you can look down and actually see through the slats below us. So we'll go up here over the water and see if we can peek down and see anything. Would not want to drop your phone or keys. There we are. We're over the water now. You can hear it rushing. Go to the edge and see if we can see anything. Nope. I hear it. Let's go see if we can see if there's something. See the water down there below. You can see it here below us as well. All right, let's continue on. Some of the spaces here between the wood is pretty big. We're almost to the end. Let's go out and see what is on the other side. Opens up. Very nice. We'll walk back through to where we started, but first let's look over the edge and see the water on this side. All right, let's go in. What do you think about it?
It's long.
It's impressive. this is coming back out from the way we started. Very cool. Beautiful little park area here in front of the covered bridge. If you can make it to Oxford, Ohio, come check out the black covered bridge. Very interesting.